whole thing.
An important consideration in the operation of any boiler is water hardness. Water hardness is caused by dissolved calcium and magnesium compounds in solution with the water. Removal of these compounds is accomplished by passing water through a water softening system. To ensure these systems are operating properly, a hardness titration test is performed on treated feed water entering the boiler. To begin, a feedwater sample is obtained downstream of the water softener. To ensure no stagnant or concentrated water will contaminate the sample, the water is allowed to run off and rinse the collector, which is then filled. Rinse a 200 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask with some sample water and discard. Measure a 50 milliliter sample into the flask and place on the magnetic stirrer, making sure the stirring magnet is in place in the sample. Turn the stirrer on to a moderate speed, enough to mix the sample without creating air bubbles. Add 1 milliliter of calcium magnesium buffer to solution. Add contents of 1 hardness indicator pillow and allow to mix. If the sample changes to a blue color, it indicates there is no hardness present in the sample. If the sample changes to a red or purple color, it is an indication that hardness is present in the sample. Prepare the digital titrator. Make sure solution is fed to the tip of the pipette and the counter is then reset to 0. Using the small feeder dial, slowly titrate the solution, allowing it to mix between drops. Continue until sample reacts by changing to a blue color. Take reading from digital titrator and multiply by conversion factor to obtain hardness reading in parts per million. Record this reading in the daily log sheets. The hardness reading will give an indication of softener efficiency and whether further internal water treatment is required according to specific boiler application.